30 Advanced vocabulary. 1. Acquire. Obtain or gain possession of. 2. Ascertain. Find out or determine. 3. Comprehend. Understand or grasp the meaning of. 4. Convey. Communicate or express. 5. Distinguish. Recognize or differentiate. 6. Elaborate. Expand or provide more details. 7. Endeavor. Strive or make an effort. 8. Facilitate. Make easier or enable. 9. Illuminate. Shed light on or clarify. 10. Implement. Put into effect or carry out. 11. Mitigate. Alleviate or reduce the severity of. 12. Perceive. Recognize or become aware of. 13. Persuade. Convince or influence someone's beliefs or actions. 14. Precise. Exact or accurate in details. 15. Substantiate. Provide evidence or support for. 16. Utilize. Make use of or employ. 17. Validate. Confirm or prove the truth of. 18. Advocate. Support or argue in favor of. 19. Coalesce. Combine or merge into a whole. 20. Disseminate. Spread or distribute widely. 21. Elicit. Draw out or evoke a reaction or response. 22. Exemplify. Serve as a typical example or instance of. 23. Implicate. Involve or suggest someone's participation in something. 24. Intricate. Complex or detailed. 25. Manifest. Display or demonstrate clearly. 26. Nurture. Foster or encourage growth and development. 27. Persevere. Persist or continue despite challenges or setbacks. 28. Proliferate. Multiply or increase rapidly in number. 29. Scrutinize. Examine or inspect closely and thoroughly. 30. Synthesize. Combine or integrate elements into a coherent whole. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!